Hello, in this video tutorial we will learn 4 classic lighting schemes for portraits that every photographer should know. Split lighting, loop lighting, Rembrandt lighting, butterfly lighting. Split lighting is it dividing lighting and how to use it. Split lighting creates a clear boundary of light and shadow on the face, dividing it into 2 equal halves. This effect is ideal for dramatic portraits, often used when shooting musicians and artists. Let's get started. 1. Position the light source at a 90-degree angle to the side of the model, maybe a little behind. For this we need a large softbox. Set up the light. Choose the right pose for the model. 2. Adjust it so that the light falls on both eyes, but does not light the dark side of the face. I advise you to watch the glare in the eyes. They bring the portrait to life. Our portrait is ready. 4. Experiment to achieve the desired effect. Loop lighting is one of the most popular lighting schemes for portrait photography. This technique got its name from the shadow of the nose, which creates a neat loop on the model's cheek. Let's get started to achieve this effect. Place the light source slightly above the model's eye level and at an angle of 30-45 degrees from the camera. This will emphasize the volume of the face and maintain the perfect balance of light and shadow. Sure that the shadow of the nose does not merge with the shadow of the cheek. This is the main feature of loop lighting. For a soft and pleasant effect, use a softbox or other diffused light. portrait is ready. This scheme is great for classic portraits that look natural and professional. Try it yourself and share your work. Rembrandt Lighting is named after the famous artist who masterfully used this lighting scheme in his portraits. The main feature is the light triangle on one cheek of the model. Let's get started. The light should fall from above, so that the shadow from the nose intersects with the shadow of the cheek, forming a characteristic triangle. This scheme, turn the model away from the light, directing it from above, and achieve the characteristic triangle of light on the cheek. Remember, the catchlight in the eye in the shadow is important to maintain liveliness and expressiveness. Rembrandt lighting is a classic that adds depth and drama to portraits. You're done. Experiment with lighting and create unique, atmospheric portraits. Butterfly lighting. It gets its name from the butterfly-shaped shadow that is created under the model's nose. Let's see how the light source is positioned just above the model's eye level, directly in front of her and slightly behind the camera. This creates lighting that highlights the central features of the face, such as the nose, cheekbones, and chin, and creates the characteristic butterfly-shaped shadow under the nose. This setup is often used for glamour portraits, as it highlights facial features by creating soft shadows under the cheeks and chin. Our portrait is finished. Try it yourself and see how this setup will bring your portraits to life.